Hi everyone, my name is Carl Eklund from Eureka Safety. As you all know, the vaccines are starting to roll out around the world, and with that said, you may be in need to protect yourself against dry ice up to extreme temperatures. We at Eureka Safety has this product range that we recommend, from the 1310-2 all the way to the MF Nordic Winter that has some extreme cold protection and some gloves in between. When it comes to the MF Nordic Winter, you have extreme protection against the cold. This is dry ice. I have no issues. I can't feel anything on the inside. The dexterity is really good. I can handle it, I can drop it, I can grab it. It's no problems at all. These gloves, they will keep you warm and will protect your hands from freezing. I can strongly recommend you to check out the MF Nordic Winter if you're going to be handling dry ice. Please visit our website in order to have specific details or reach out to your contact person in order to get more information. Eureka Safety, www.eurekasafety.se. Thank you very much.